many?
Oh, go back together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why they won't work. So in typical fashion, I picked up this set of Forgiatos off somebody, just traded it for them. And I thought, oh, I'll just take them apart, clean them up a little bit, maybe flip them, maybe buy a car to put them on. But, I don't know if you're aware of this, but Forgiatos have their own specific torque socket. It's 8 points. Not 6 points like a normal one. Not 10 points like an OZ one. Not 12 points like the Volkswagen stuff is. And you can drive a Torx bit into one of these, and it will hold it, but it will eventually twist it. So now we're going to try to find a creative way to take these apart. That may include buying a bunch of Torx bits and just seeing what happens, because the Forgiato socket is $500. So, this is a pretty exclusive set of wheels, but it's also a fairly old set of wheels. So I'm probably not going to spend that. That's not my style. We'll find another way. But that's where we're at. That's what you've witnessed. So we got. Oh, that didn't hold. Well, I got this cheap Torx bit from probably from AutoZone or something, some other cheap tools, and I put that in there, and that is not going to work. So if anything, it tore up the bolt, which may make it even harder to get it out. So back to square one. I think they'll clean up if we can get like I said, find the right tool, get them apart, maybe buy a couple lips. I don't know. Try not to, but I don't know, they're not very pretty. So we'll see where it goes from here.